another thing here. When you said this event as the minimal change thing that's happened, now we come to another notion that I don't fully understand. I get abstractly, rationally the point, but I don't fully understand, but which absolutely fascinates me, and I will tell you why. Is this part of your past, or you still cling to it? Your notion of nad as monad without mo. Is this your name for the minimal event?
Oh, monad.
Or did I miss it totally?
Monad?
Not monad, but in some of your texts, I read it, you use the word NAD, just nuts. You cut off the mo.
That was a bad idea. Boy, was that a bad idea, yeah.
Really? Oh my God. In my philosophical corruption, I loved it. You know why?
Take it free. No, I remember what it was trying to do. And it did what it was trying to do in that text, but then I got very confused when I tried to use it again. So let's talk about it later.
No, but I will tell you, please allow me to explain why. You know that at the very beginnings of philosophy, the first so-called atomist, Democritus, he did the same thing. When, you know what's his name for atoms? Democritus was much more intelligent than people think. People take Democritus in this primitive, vulgar, materialist way. There is empty space and small balls or whatever are jumping up and down there. But you know what's Democritus' name for atom? Den, D-E-N, and it's made from meden, which means med-en, which means no being, but then you don't cut off the whole med. Like you cut off me, so it's usually translated as O thing. It's not think without no, but it's nonetheless, you take nothing and you cut off part of the no. So you get a purely immaterial, but nonetheless particular nothing. I love that idea.
I am, by the way, when you talked about primitive, I am deliberately a primitive philosopher, because since I'm one at all.
Absolutely. That's the only thing that works, really. Sorry.
Yeah, and I think there's also, I identified myself with some friends who are artists, who I saw trying to practice in sculpture and painting a similar kind of freedom and naivete, we used to call it. If you can discuss something, it's beautiful, it's not beautiful. It makes me feel this, it makes me think this. That's important if it has a role in your life. It's not abstract theories of what's modern, what's not modern, and so forth. We're not, and especially what's postmodern and what's not postmodern. I should tell you, my friend St. Clair Simmons, when I asked him what is postmodern, I said I try to ask our friends who are, art professors, what is this postmodernism? And St. Clair replied, well, if the purpose of modernism was to burn the old house down, then all this postmodernism has been about is choking off those dead little embers that are left, which is very puerile to be doing at this moment, considering that winter is coming.